Friends, my today's innovative recipe is mango and rice flake sweet halwa. Maybe you like it. Mango is a fruit which is having lots of fiber and vitamin A that helps to your digestion and your eye health. So we start our cooking with the mango and rice flake halwa. The ingredients what we need: 1 kg mango ripe, peeled and cutted, 3 cup rice flakes, 1 cup of sugar, not adding much sugar, the mango is already very good sweet, half liter full cream milk. For flavoring: nutmeg, cinnamon, clove, cardamom, dry ginger, you can add dry ginger also, finely grind, few drops of vanilla essence, clarified butter or ghee. For garnishing, some dry fruits, cashew nut, almond and kismis. First heat the pan, add rice flakes and roast it well. Yes, roasted well, connect into the container. Keep some rice flakes separately, this much is enough. Grind this. Blend this mango with sugar and milk. Make a puree. The puree is ready. Heat the pan. Add clarified butter. Add mango puree. Cook this in a medium flame only. Stir it well in between. Add spice mix. A few drops of vanilla. That's enough. Stir this continuously. Stir it continuously. Now add your rice flakes crushed. Mix well. Now stir this well, otherwise there is a chance to stick in your pan. Now I am going to add little bit of clarified butter or Desi ghee. Add dry fruits now. Make sure it's cooking at very lower flame only. Yes, it's cooked well. Converted into ball. Spread some rice flakes in here. Roasted one. Earlier roasted I kept little separately. Add little more cashew nut and almonds on top. Cover it with an aluminum foil. Also butter pepper. Keep it for a while, let it cold. It's ready to serve. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon for next videos. Thank you.